In this video, we listed the 5 best sewing machines that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Usha Janome Sewing Machine. The USHA sewing machine is a compact, corded electric model designed for versatility and ease of use, featuring a stylish white and blue design. With dimensions of 8D x 14.5 W x 11H centimeters and a weight of 5,900 grams, this automatic zigzag sewing machine includes a free arm for convenient sewing. It offers a manual thread tension control and a dial-type stitch pattern selector, boasting 7 built-in stitches and a total of 14 stitch functions, including for step buttonholing and various applications like lace fixing and quilting. The machine operates at a speed of 550 stitches per minute and includes features such as an auto-tripping bobbin system, drop feed for embroidery, and a manual needle threading mechanism. It comes with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, and the package includes the sewing machine, an instruction manual, and 8 free accessories. Additionally, complimentary sewing lessons are available through the Usha store for users looking to enhance their sewing skills. Number 2. Bernette Electric Machine. The Bernette sewing machine, designed with a sleek white metal frame and ABS plastic outer body, offers a robust and user-friendly experience for sewing enthusiasts. Weighing 7,200 grams, this corded electric model boasts a sewing speed of 800 stitches per minute and features 19 built-in stitches alongside 57 stitch functions, making it versatile for a variety of projects. Its user-friendly design includes an easy 4-step buttonhole, semi-automatic needle threading, and customizable stitch width and length, catering to both beginners and experienced crafters. The machine is equipped with standard accessories like multiple presser feet, a dust cover, and an LED light for enhanced visibility. Users can also register their purchases for a complimentary virtual demonstration through Bernette's customer support, ensuring a smooth and creative sewing experience. Number 3. Singer 3229 Sewing Machine. The Singer 3229 simple sewing machine is designed for both ease of use and high-quality results, featuring 29 built-in stitches that include 6 basic, 15 decorative, and 7 stretch options, along with an automatic 4-step buttonhole program. Its compact and lightweight design, combined with a heavy-duty metal frame, ensures durability while making it easy for anyone to sew without frustration. This machine also boasts adjustable stitch length and width, easy threading to alleviate eye strain, and a free arm, ideal for sewing cuffs and sleeves. Perfect for beginners and seasoned sewists alike, it comes complete with a variety of accessories and a bonus instructional DVD. Whether you're starting your sewing journey or looking for a thoughtful gift, the Singer 3229 offers a combination of functionality and convenience that makes sewing enjoyable. Number 4. Singer 3223 Automatic Machine. This electric sewing machine, designed in a vibrant pink color, boasts impressive features for both novice and experienced sewers. It includes 23 built-in stitches with a total of 101 stitch functions, allowing for a variety of creative projects, and operates at a sewing speed of 800 stitches per minute, SPM. The machine offers 4 styles of buttonholes, easily created in 4 straightforward steps using a user-friendly stitch selector dial. Additional features encompass a reverse sewing function to secure seams, adjustable thread tension for precision, and accessory storage for convenience. Its heavy-duty metal frame ensures durability and maintains alignment for skip-free sewing, making it a reliable choice for various sewing tasks. Number 5. Singer 1408 Sewing Machine. The Singer electric sewing machine, presented in a sleek white design, measures 35.4 cm in depth, 42.3 cm in width, and 22.8 cm in height, making it a compact yet functional addition to any sewing space. Weighing 5.95 kilograms, it features a robust metal frame for enhanced durability and includes a variety of useful functions. With 24 built-in stitches and a sewing speed of 750 stitches per minute, (SPM), it offers versatile sewing capabilities, including 8 specific stitch types and 4 buttonhole styles. Users can easily select stitches via an intuitive easy stitch selection dial, and their machine includes a reverse feature to secure seams effectively. Additional features such as thread tension adjustment and accessory storage further enhance its practicality. Customers can also benefit from a free home demonstration by registering their purchase details on the Singer website.